MADM battery base. To power the MADM device with the battery base and external battery, connect the battery base to the power receptacle on the rear of the MADM device. Take the external battery and place it inside the battery base, pressing until it's firmly seated, then rotate the latch to lock it into place. Monitor the indicator light on the battery base to confirm connection to MADM. To charge the external battery using the battery base, disconnect the battery base from the MADM device, then using the MADM power supply, connect the power supply to the back of the battery base, then plug the power supply into wall power. Monitor the indicator light on the battery base to confirm that the battery is charging.